talking a lot about we've been talking about what PFAS is, why it's difficult to detect, and what is the publicly available data on this topic. But once PFAS has been detected at a concerning level, what is a remediation method available to address them?
Yeah, that's a good question. There are, few methods that we can discuss. And the first one is activated carbon filtration.
Mhm.
Great for, long chain PFAS, for example. But obviously it requires frequent filter, replacement if you have a very high contaminant level, and that's where the cost is. And the second one is ion exchange resins, right? So very good in targeting specific PFAS compounds, including some short chain variants. But you need to regenerate your resin once you use it, then. And also you need to manage the waste stream very carefully from this technique. The third one is going to be obviously the reverse osmosis method, right? So again, this is very effective. It can remove most of the PFAS compounds across the board. But again, this is also very energy intensive, right? And it produces a very concentrated reject stream that must be disposed or treated further. Another one which people are talking about recently is going to be the high temperature incineration. And the name indicates this is mainly used for PFAS, rich wastes. Basically, it's used to destroy PFAS in a spent activated carbon, for example, the one that we mentioned, or the resins that we mentioned up. But again, to use this, you must meet air quality regulations. You may have also incomplete combustion that can release, other harmful substances, right? So even though you have good methods as a remediation technique, each one of them had their own, disadvantages as well. And that's where the research, have been. Now, while we have emerging technologies as well, like advanced oxidation or nanofiltration, that promises to break down PFAS molecules, right? And KETOS R&D is also working on this kind of emerging technologies towards remediation, detection, and monitoring as well. Obviously, as the name emerging indicates, they are still mostly in research or a pilot stage.